Alright, so nice lazy start today. We're heading back to the ranch to pick up our resupply. Hopefully meet up with John. And Chris and Andy are talking about things they're going to leave behind to lighten their pack. So, we got the supply bucket and tons of boxes of stuff that we have to go through and take what you want and give away what you don't. Yeah, mandu curry, I'm not so sure. I'm just taking this opportunity to eat as many calories of protein that I can before I go. Oh man, fruit leather. Fruit leather. That sounds good.
Those are good. Give me extra stuff.
Go the well. Thanks,
We get
Adam.
to see the damage of a full bear canister. 32 bad, but could be better, especially if you realize I'm carrying a Ritz pack and holding a video camera.
All right, so refueled, reloaded, and now we get to carry our tremendous amounts of gear all the way the last 100 miles or so down to Whitney. Packs are just gonna get lighter from here. It's day 7, and we've seen our first sign of rain. Alright, so we just made it up into the Evolution Valley. We've got to cross the creek right here, or there's an alternative crossing higher up if the water levels are high. It doesn't look like the water levels are particularly high, but I will say it looks beautiful. Light coming through the trees there.
Well, morning of day 8, struggling to get out of bed. The good news is we're halfway there. I don't have any hot breakfast, so I've resorted to taking bars instead and drinking vitamin drink hot for breakfast. Actually, sounds like a great idea. And here's the two lazy guys. It is really hard to get going today. I don't know if it was a refill yesterday or I don't know.
Heading up to Evolution Lake, and beyond that, a couple more. Wanda Lake is our official lunch, afternoon long break, and then if it cools down a bit, we'll try for Muir Pass. Oh, feeling really good. All right, here we are at 11,200 and something feet, and as you can see, it is pretty barren up here. Right behind me over there, over that ridge, is Wanda Lake, and that's our official stopping point for lunch, and then hopefully on to Muir Pass, which is some point behind that ridge over there.
I wonder what lake this is.
Well, as you can see behind me, the weather's turning a bit bad, and we are exposed up here at Wanda Lake. All right, so here we are, top of Muir Pass. All right, so here we are inside the Muir hut, built in 1930, 1931. intended for hikers caught in storms on this exposed section of the trail. Interestingly, it's raining.
Stop the train. You can't take it anymore. No, I can't take it anymore. No, I can't take it anymore.
Hi everyone, this is Paul from the Outdoor Adventure.
And I'm Chris with Sierra Trading Post.
Thanks for taking the time to watch our footage of the John Muir Trail.
To see more videos and all series of the John Muir Trail, click any of the links above.
Or if you want to see what Chris has put together, why don't you click on the link down below to head over to the Sierra Trading Post channel.